Are those one of the volcano things?
They're just gonna put up like a ton of goop.
It's all gonna come in here too.
That's
Look
why
at all
I did
that.
it.
Woo! There's the queen.
Hey! Do not go near them.
Mammoth smoke.
Look at
Man,
that.
They're both yellow.
it's toxic. Don't go near it.
Awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome. What's in this?
And now it's going on the other side.
What is it? What is
Go in the
it?
house.
Oops.
What is it? Oh, shoot, my windows are open.
Oh god.
What are these?
Spark plugs.
Awesome. I'm opening these. What are they?
Yeah, let's not do the smoke bomb.
Spark plugs.
No smoke bombs. No more
Oh,
smoke
okay.
bombs.
Wait, is that one that shoots off, or is it just a smoke bomb?
This one's just called Mammoth Smoke.
And it's just.
Run for cover.
What is this?
The tanks are pretty cool.
I like the tanks. Those are cool. Except
Let's see.
except you have to do it like really far out.
They used to move around and then like.
They
fire
still
off.
do. You have to move it out pretty far though, or they go pretty
My dad
fast.
don't want to be in the garage. Give it to my dad. Just sit in my room and
Well,
watch them.
should we let it further
Step back.
out?
Step back. Step back.
Yeah, you probably should.
Is this a smoke bomb?
Oh, it's a smoker.
Oh, get it out of here.
Oh.
They used to do little shots.
She got a bunch of smoking things.
That's well, I think
That's
it was those. That's like the target
So it is.
one. It's just all smoke.
Holy moly.
Here's a smoke plug.
Yeah, let's not like the smoke stuff.
What's this thing?
Maybe the three I put down there.
Oh great, I just opened that.
What is it?
We're in trouble. Don wants to see you.
Are they gone?
No,
And every neighbor down the street.
Guys, no more smoke bombs.
That one's still going.
Is that your neighbor
Mammoth
that on
smoke
that
is.
side?
Give it to this one. Give it to this one. No, turn it backwards.
Jack, Jack.
Move that one
Here's
away. Let's
fog. We can use this. This one takes forever.
No more smoke bombs.
What about sparklers?
This is
Hold on. We're all gonna get emphysema if we keep doing these things. Let's take a break.
Is that a good thing or
Can
bad?
I use
That's a whole.
sparklers. Yes, you can do sparklers.
Can I kick it?
No,
Guys,
get away from it.
back already.